Yes, okay, right. Welcome on my podcast. I want to podcast something. I did not know that there's a lot of gold in Matabeleland province, either Matabeleland South or Matabeleland North or Bulawayo Metropolitan Province. I did not know that, these guys are rich in gold. You know, this mineral by the name gold. I didn't know that they're so rich in gold. Until last week, when I got the news, when I got the information that, there are a lot of companies, mining organizations, or mining businesses that are all over Matabeleland provinces, Matabeleland South, Matabeleland North, and they're mining this mineral. For example, there's a company by the name Caledonia Mining Corporation. Caledonia Mining Corporation is busy mining this mineral by the name gold in Matabeleland South, Matabeleland North. I was so happy. I was so excited. But again, at the same time, I was feeling pain in my heart, like, so if there's a lot of gold resources, or this gold mineral is too much in Matabeleland province, then I begin to ask myself, why are the people poor now? Why is the region poor? Why that part of the world, that side of the world is so poor? Why? If they got a lot of gold, and no gold at a global level is one of the most precious, most expensive mineral that you can find. You understand? At a global level, at an international level. So why are the people of Matabeleland so poor? Or rather, the region of Matabeleland provinces, why is so poor? If they are rich in gold like this. So I heard there are a lot of companies, mining organizations that are mining right now in Matabeleland. Different companies, various mining businesses right now as I talk to you. But then I began to be one like, why is the region poor? Why is the region poor? Why are the people like they are poor? Why? Why? If there were a lot of gold in Matabeleland South, Matabeleland North, why are they poor? The region itself, that part of the world, that side of the world, why is it poor? If they are blessed by God Jehovah with a lot of resources, but this through this mineral gold, where the poverty coming from? Where is all this suffering coming from? Where is all this struggling coming from? If they got a lot of gold like this, like the way I heard when I was reading on the website, on the internet, about the gold rush happening right now in Matabeleland South and Matabeleland North, the gold rush, the gold scramble, mining companies, mining businesses, mining conglomerates, busy getting their portions, their spots to mine gold in Matabeleland South, Matabeleland North. Please, if you stay in Matabeleland North or Matabeleland South, or if you know anything about Matabeleland North, Matabeleland South, answer me, reply to me. Why is that part of the world so poor? Why that side of the world is so poor? When they've a resource like this by the name gold, when they are sitting on top of this mineral by the name gold, why are they poor? The people, the area, the region, that part of the world, why is it poor? Why is it poor? When they are sitting on top of gold, why are they poor? Or rather, that side of the world, why is it poor? Please answer me. Talk to me in the comment section. This is what I heard when I was reading, when I was perusing and browsing the internet. That, right now in Matabeleland provinces, there are a lot of companies, and one of the companies is from Canada, another one is from Australia. If I'm not mistaken, Canada, Australia, they are mining gold. There's a lot of gold in Matabeleland South, Matabeleland North right now, as I talk to you. But where is the poverty coming from? I was there. I saw a lot of poverty. I saw a lot of suffering. I saw a lot of struggling. Where is it coming from? When they are sitting on top of gold, when they are walking, literally walking on top of gold, this mineral gold. So what's happening? Is there a political explanation to this? Is there an economic explanation to this? Is there a social explanation to this? Or maybe rather, is there a cultural explanation to this? But I know at the bottom line, there's always an explanation. Is it politically motivated or economically motivated or social or culturally motivated? This explanation. What's happening? How can you sit on top of God and you are poor? How can you be walking, literally walking and sitting on top of gold, this mineral, and you are poor, you're struggling, you're suffering in Matebelen South, or rather Matebelen North. What is the problem? What is the issue? Talk to me in the comment section, comments box. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.